Hi guys, happy Earth Day. I want to thank Nate for inviting me to do this collaboration with him. Earth Day is very important to me, and it means a lot that so many artists have come together to champion the cause of recycling, repurposing, reusing, and yeah, all the good stuff of, you know, keeping down the waste. And in this video, you'll see that I have got clips from a lot of different videos I've done over the past like 3.5, almost 4 years now. I don't have a new project that I have worked on. I was working on one, but cannot finish it because I have a pretty bad shoulder injury that really hurts right now. So I hope you don't mind that. Yeah, I've just got some clips, but there's some really useful information in there, some great tips, and some fun projects. Hi guys, welcome to the Earth Day collab with Nate Bright Art. I'm really excited about doing this today because I get to show you some of the ways that I cut down waste and recycle in my studio. So first I want to show you these. These are really great. I actually have a video. It's a short of me, actually just an ASMR short of me peeling paint out of these. Paint and resin peel out of these really great, and they come with lids too, so they make great storage for large quantities of paint, like up to 20 ounces, and your runoff so that you can pour them in here. So I love these. Also have these plastic cups. These are so much better than these types of plastic cups. These I just use for little stands now underneath my paintings when I don't have the push pins, but these are great because the paint just peels right out of them also. So, and then you can reuse these. But I have yogurt jars. I love these little yogurt jars. They fit about 4 ounces. They come with lids, they're glass, they clean up really super easy. And if I have a bunch of little paints and stuff left over in these, I'll usually pour them into one of these and just, you know, make a Franken paint. So you can tell there were different colors in this one. So I have that I reuse those. And then these are SodaStream bottles. I love the SodaStream bottles because the caps can be used as stands, especially with resin, because the resin just peels right off of these. Nothing really sticks to these, not even the paint. So that's great. And then yeah, for storing them, mixing paints and everything. So what I'll do is, these are all school glue medium, so when I mix a school glue medium, it's just 5 ounces of paint, 10 ounces of the school glue pouring medium, which I reuse the bottles for these too all the time. And then these are just rocks from out in my yard. I soak them overnight and then give them a good scrub with like a fingernail file brush to make sure they're really clean, and then I just drop them in, and it helps to agitate the paint, kind of like the little bearing things in fingernail polish. And there you go. So those are just some of the ways that I try to cut down the waste and save and recycle in my studio. Here's another fun thing that I like to do. I use freezer paper a lot of times underneath paintings, and what I'll do is let the runoff from the pour land on that freezer paper, and it creates really pretty swirls and patterns and things. Or sometimes I will take the paint that's there and take like a cell activator and swipe over it and get some really pretty lacing effects and everything on it, and then just let it dry. And when you have your freezer paper shiny side up, your paint skins, once they're dry in a day or two here in Arizona, because the air is dry, yeah, it just peels right up just like that. And then there you have it. You have your paint skin, and those can be used for all kinds of things to create like collages on a canvas, making jewelry, which is what I'm going to do. You can get these really cool cabochon kits that come with the cabochon, the trays, the chains, everything kind of all in one. And they're just really fun to work with. I think I'm using Judykin's Diamond Glaze glue right there, Diamond Glaze adhesive. And yeah, you just put a few drops down, slide it around over your paint skin to where you like the pattern that you see under the glass. And then you will set that aside, let it dry. And once it's completely dry, then you take some scissors. I like Lexan scissors. They're made for cutting plastic and stuff. And yeah, you just start trimming around the outer edge of the glass of your cabochon. And there you go. And then once you've got all the excess skin trimmed away, you will put a few drops in your tray and adhere that down and have a really cool piece of jewelry. I know they make bracelet blanks and all kinds of stuff. You could just put like some a coat of UV resin over the top to kind of seal it to those bracelets and stuff. That would be fun. I don't have any, but it would be fun. There's all kinds of uses for acrylic skins. And yeah, so go to your YouTube search and put in ways to use acrylic skins, and I bet a whole bunch of videos will pop up and show you exactly what you can use them for and repurpose them for. But yeah, for the bottom, I like to use the not the wax paper, the freezer paper, and like I said, shiny side up.
This is the place for you and me. Yeah, this is where we wanna be. In Tennessee, in Tennessee, in Tennessee, yeah. Where hummingbirds are flying in the sky. Dreams are coming true. A magic place where you can count the stars. Just lay down in the middle.
Here's another fun project that I enjoy doing. It is repurposing washers and turning them into pendants using alcohol ink. Alcohol ink works great on metal, especially like galvanized metal and stuff. My friend Janice does some incredible work on metal pumpkins and stuff. If you can get a chance, go check her channel out. Shout out to Janice. But yeah, these are a lot of fun. I just mix pinata brass 50-50 in a needle bottle, and then these are some inexpensive inks, so you don't have to spend a fortune on it. They're Picasso inks, I believe. I got them off Amazon. I'll put the link down in my description for you. And yeah, you just put a couple drops of that stuff down, and then put a little bit of brass down on it, and it makes this really cool effect where it looks like pieces of gold are just kind of floating around in the color and stuff, and they're really pretty. I enjoy doing these, and yeah, it's just something for you to try. You know, go out, raid the garage, see what kind of metal things you have laying around out there, and yeah, put some ink on them, make them pretty, have some fun. I want to thank Nate again for having me today as part of this collab. If you miss any of the fun, please go down into my description and get the full playlist, because Marcy was right before me, Teneva is directly after me, and yeah, like I said, the full playlist for yesterday and today will be in the description, so you can go back and see everybody's and not miss any of the fun, wonderful tips and tricks that everyone is sharing today to help you reduce, reuse, recycle, repurpose, and yeah, help our planet stay clean and nice for generations to come. Also, while I've got you here, I want to remind you to please do the UB2B thingies for everyone. That's the likey, sharey, subscribies. It's free for you, but it helps all of us immensely. So I encourage you to do that. So now with these washers, what I will do is once that ink is dry, I will go ahead and spray it with a couple coats of Kamar varnish. Kamar works best because it's not an alcohol-based varnish, so it won't reactivate your inks and make them move around. And once all the varnish is dry and everything, I go ahead and put on my leather beads and everything else like that. So I really hope you found all these tips and tricks helpful and useful, and yeah, let's go see what Teneva's got for us next. Until next time, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye!